Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we are going to talk about nested loop. So what is nested loop? Nested loop is loop inside loop. Pasted here. So here you can see I have pasted some value. So I have red, big and tasty. And I want to show red apple, red banana, red cherry, then big apple, big banana, big cherry. Tasty apple, tasty banana, tasty cherry. Okay. So how you can do this? We can actually print them. I mean, we can actually show them using for loop, right? So if I say here for, and then I will say edge, I will say, sorry, x in, I will say edge, okay? And if I say print x, then what will happen? Here you can see red, big and tasty. But let's say I want to show fruits. So what I have to do, I have to go to the new line. And once again, I have to run here one more loop, and that is for the fruits, and I have to print the value. And now if I print, now you can see tasty apple, banana, cherry, right? So nested for loop means I need one more for loop inside loop, and here I want to actually print x comma let's say I want to say here y, right? Because I cannot give here same value. Okay, so first x and then y, and then here I want to actually show x comma y. So now let's run it, and now you can see red apple, red banana, red cherry at first, because it will actually go for the first one. So it will enter here and it will print all of the item with the first one, red apple, red banana, red cherry, and then it will break the loop here because the fruits is done. Now every fruit is printed, okay, along with the first value of x. So the first value is red. So now it will actually print all the value with red. Okay, so the red value will be same because I'm not actually now outside of this for loop, because I haven't actually complete all the all the fruits, right? So every single time, every single fruit need to be actually printed, and then actually I can go out the this for loop inside inner for loop. Okay, what can I do now? Now I have to go to the next statement. So for loop, and now the second value will be big, and it will enter the inner loop, and now it will once again print all the fruits with the x value. So the x value is currently big, right? After red, the x value is now big, so it will actually print big apple, big banana, big cherry, and then we will actually go out from the inner for loop, and then the x value will be tasty, and now it will enter here and print all the y value. So that is what now x value is tasty, right? And then it will print tasty apple, then tasty banana, then third time tasty cherry. So y value is complete. Now we will actually go out the for loop, and then we will actually enter here once again for loop, and we can see that okay, everything is printed because we haven't actually enough any text yet. So it will actually break the loop here. It will not continue the inner loop. Okay, that's it. And that is the reason actually here showing everything. Here you can see red apple, red banana, red cherry, then the next big apple, big banana, big cherry, then tasty apple, tasty banana, tasty cherry. So this is actually nested loop, loop inside loop. I hope you understand. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.